Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video here on XRP. Your daily updates. We're going to do a full update on the situation right now. Yesterday we actually did have some volatility coming in, so we'll talk about that and what that actually means. The price is trading slightly higher than yesterday morning, so that's a good thing. But overall, technically the situation is still very similar, and I'm getting a little bit tired of XRP right now, or at least of covering it. Because, like I said, I mean, if you take a look at the general structure right here, it is still the same, right? I mean, XRP has found balance right now below this main level right here, around 2.5, 2.55. In general, the kind of key level around that is much bigger, of course, but 2.5, 2.55 is kind of the main level right now. That if we actually do want to get some bullish momentum back, we'd need to break above that. But then what you saw yesterday is that yesterday afternoon, after the economic data came in, the unemployment data, we saw that in the markets actually were able to get up quite a bit, and XRP followed. I mean, you can see right here that we had some leverage coming in, and the price spiked up towards like 2.53.5 cents. But what I already told you yesterday in my middle of the day market update as well, in which I also tried to cover XRP briefly, is that, well, it's all great, but we really need to see some sort of a sustained breakout above this level here, 2.5 and 2.55, before I'll say that, all right, well, we can be bullish again, instead of dropping back down into this bigger area around 2.1 and $2. And what I told you yesterday already as well is that I still think it's most likely we will not be able to break out, because the data yesterday, the news, was also not amazing. It was quite mixed, all right. So pumping based on that news was not logical in my opinion. But yeah, so what that meant is that we rejected here at 2.5. That's another confirmation that the price has actually settled, or at least the buyers and sellers agree that a fair price of XRP is back into this range right here. And if we assume that that's what the market has come to right now, so that we can actually, so that we, no, so that we've actually settled back into the same range we were in, which we were also in December. That means that we'll drop down lower. All right. The main support level from that range was right here, between 2.15 and $2 was also hit quite a bit. I don't really see any reason right now for XRP to break out. It is a possibility, and I do use one indicator that actually gave me some sort of a bottom signal for XRP. So I'm not fully out on the idea of XRP breaking back above 2.5 and 2.6 and turning bullish again. I think it's a possibility, but just fundamentally, there's so much uncertainty around the general financial markets. Bitcoin still looks like it's going to drop down lower, excuse me. And if yesterday we looked at XRP BTC, I believe. You don't need to look at that, but XRP BTC is also not looking great, right? So what that means is that, all right, well, it looks most likely fundamentally that Bitcoin will drop down lower given all this uncertainty, but also given the structure. Well, XRP is not outperforming against Bitcoin, so then it's logical that XRP is also going to drop down lower. And then from that support level at 2.15, $2, I do think somewhere there we'll actually be able to find strong support, and we'll be able to get some more bullish momentum. So I cannot wait for that day so that I can finally be bullish again. But for now, I have to unfortunately be realistic. And be realistic right now means accepting that we have accepted back into the range right here. And that means that there's much more potential to drop back down to the demand side rather than to break out above the supply side. But that's it for now. All right, that's what I think you need to know. Bit of a level right here at 2.3, so you can use that as some sort of a gauge of the strength. If we are able to hold 2.3 for an extended period of time here within the range, then I might have to adjust, and then, you know, who knows? Maybe a bullish breakout is possible, but I don't suspect that it will provide much sustained bullish momentum. But those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos. Have a great weekend, and bye.